In this video, we're going to see how to add a Facebook page to your Alerti account. So select the Facebook menu, click on Add Your Facebook Page, and here you need to connect the Facebook account you use to manage your Facebook fan pages. If you're already logged into Facebook, this is what it looks like. Otherwise, you would be shown the Facebook login screen. Click on Continue. You see the list of Facebook pages you manage with your account. Select the one you want to add to Alerti. Click on Next and then authorize the permission. These permissions let us access the content you publish on your page, as well as provide you with the insights of your Facebook page. Click on Done and then click on OK. You see here the page you authorized. Give a name to your alert. Then you click on Next and you've got the notification. So email, mobile, desktop, either real time, once per day, once per week, none. To be informed when new comments are posted to your page, click on Finish. Your alert is created. The feed of your Facebook page is displayed here, with the possibility to filter by type of post, admin post, visitors post, comments, mention, reviews, and will provide you with the insights of your page, which are explained in a different video.